Now this is a basic TV splitter. It splits one signal into two. I'll show you what it looks like without the packaging. So there it is there. This is the frequency that it works between 5 megahertz and 2400 megahertz, which is 2.4 gigahertz. Now you have the input here and the two outputs here. You get one signal in there and 1/2 a signal, just under 1.5 signals on each one. So you use this here. I've got the screws that come with it here, and they are to go into there to hold this in place. Normally in the loft. Now it's made out of metal. There are some cheaper ones around which are made out of plastic. F sockets. Let's take these covers off. And then we use this here. This is a F plug. These are the best ones to use to screw on. You can get different types. The compression type. This one is a screw type where you screw the coax cable in to the top here, and that will then secure it in place. There are different types. This is a compression F plug. Same way, you put the coax cable inside, but instead of screwing it in, you will compress these two here with a tool, and that will hold it in place. This particular plug, you can't remove this particular plug as soon as it's fitted. While this one, you can unscrew if you need to, and you can then use it again. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.